If you're not doing this right now, you're losing money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your affiliate marketing sales. And yes, you can use AI to help you do this. You go to Amazon. It's a very simple process to sign up, recommend, and step 3, earn. Earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualified purchases and programs. Everyone really understands this process. Step 1, sign up to the affiliate program. Step 2, recommend a product based on your use or the idea that you have that this will help people earn money. Now, you only earn 10% or up to 10% with affiliate products from Amazon. And of course, this is typically physical products, so there's a limit there on what you can do. But with this strategy, if you were to pick something like System and promote digital products as an affiliate, you can earn 60% over a lifetime on products that System offers. Of course, their main product, and they have a simple step-by-step process here as well. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Then you simply choose an offer to promote. For example, they have a free plan and you give away that free plan and then people upgrade and you make 60%. But again, this isn't how you're losing money or why you're losing money. You're losing money because you're missing this very, very essential step that you need to focus on. So the idea here is there are people, these people right here, they're on the internet, and that's a horrible circle. So I'll get rid of that one and draw another one. These people here are on the internet. They're looking for solutions to problems. You have those solutions. You identify those problems. You provide a solution in your content. You post on YouTube, you post on Facebook, and what do? You give them your affiliate link and you're like, yes, they're going to head over to the sales page. They're going to make a purchase and I'm going to earn a commission. But inside of a bigger strategy or inside of my proven affiliate strategy, my proven top strategy to build a proper online business starts with traffic. When you generate traffic, you pick a topic, and essentially that's what you want to do is pick a topic and identify a problem. Then you pair up an offer, which is what we've looked at already. So for example, in this case, System.io is providing a solution to help people build a online business. It's the software that they need. So you identify that, but what you need to do is you need to build a super simple lead magnet, and you need to collect the email address of the people again that saw your content. Remember, the people right here, they were looking for a problem. They saw your content right here on YouTube or on Facebook. They clicked your affiliate link. They went over to the sales page, but what happened? They didn't buy, because very seldom do people buy the very first time they see a product because they're not in the mood. They don't have the money. They're not quite sure if it's the actual product they should be using. So then what happens? You are left doing the same thing, going back and trying to find more people over and over and over again via your content to click on your affiliate link to again go to the sales page and not buy. It seems kind of dire, right? You're like, well, what am I supposed to do? I did everything right. Well, the big secret here is, and you can do AI to use this, and I'm going to show you here in a second how this works. What you need to do is you go back to the proven strategy, and I already gave you the answer. You need to create a super simple lead magnet. In this case, this is a very simplistic to do, and I'm going to show you an AI tool that does it, but I want to show you what it really looks like so you can see the flow and you can understand what it is I'm actually talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this affiliate link for now, and we're going to slide this sales page over, and we're going to bring in a new element, and it's going to be that super simple squeeze page. And I want to show you now that from your YouTube content, you are going to link people over to your super simple squeeze page. Then from your super simple squeeze page, you are then going to provide your affiliate link in this stage. So at this stage, now what we're doing is we're letting people find our content. And again, people are finding our content because we're putting out helpful content and making recommendations. Just like Amazon said, we're recommending products that we use, that we trust, that we like, that we know work. But what we're doing now is we're adding a super simple squeeze page to build an email list. And that email list is going to live down here, and we're going to have a super simple tool that is going to put people on an email list. And then we'll just simply follow up with additional emails We also provide our affiliate link here so we get a chance. They may not buy. We've already saw that because we know that that first touch point isn't going to get them to buy. So what do? We put our affiliate link here in this email. We put our affiliate link here in this email, and then they go back. And then what happens? Eventually, we convince them, or we show them how this product will actually help them. Because again, they may not be aware, or they may not be ready to buy, or they may not trust your suggestion at the very beginning. So that's what email does. Email just essentially is a method. It's a tactic, a technique to follow up with people, to give them more information, to nurture, if you will, a relationship so they believe and understand that the product that you're recommending can actually help them. So we go back to this and you're like, that's great, Gary, but how do I actually do this? It sounds really super complicated. All you need to do is create a little content and then create a super simple squeeze page. Then you use a tool like this. It's called Lead Creator AI. There's a link in the description. You can check it out. All you do here is click this green button and it creates your lead magnet for you. So you need a product. So the product that we're using in this example was Choose an Offer to Promote, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch and grow and scale your online business, build sales funnels, send emails. You may not know anything about this. Of course, you'll need to learn, but you take this simple idea from the product page and you just copy that and you go back and you say, okay, this is going to be my first System.io lead magnet, and this is just going to get you started. And then you can select a category here. These are categories you create. So for example, if I am linking people from YouTube, I would want to put them in the YouTube category so I know that people are coming from YouTube to look at this. And this matters when you start getting clicks or start getting traffic. But then you could just come here and you can say, okay, a custom prompt, and then you could pick a word count. And this is very simple here. You just say, look, I just want something, and the default is picked for you, comprehensive and persuasive to let people know how this product works. And then you just paste this in. A fast and simple marketing tool that everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business, build sales funnels. So what you can do here is you can just say, create me a simple lead magnet. And I'm just going to say, create me a simple lead magnet that lets people know about, and then just the information that I pasted or that I copied and pasted from System.io right here. And remember, we're just getting started. So all we're doing at this point is getting started and say, okay, you can come over here and pick a persona. So if you know or you like one of these people, for example, if you like Gary Vee or you like Seth Godin, we'll go ahead and grab Gary Vee. You can then select Gary Vee, and then you can just simply select create. There is also a reading level here. You can take that down a little bit and then say, okay, create me a lead magnet, create me a super simple lead magnet or a super simple squeeze page that is going to pop up. And you've seen these before. It's just people click on your content. When you click the link in the description, you can see an example. You're going to get a pop-up window, or you're going to get a page with a button, and you're going to click that button, and then the page is going to pop up and say, to get more information or to get this free guide, enter your name and your email here. And then that's going to add them to an email list. And again, all you're doing here is you are increasing your chances to increase your chances or to increase your affiliate commissions by increasing your chances, because the likelihood just simply is that when people click this affiliate link here, they are not going to buy when they go to the affiliate sales page. So if you can get them on an email list, you can still give them the chance to click your affiliate link up here, but you're going to follow up with them. You're going to have chance 1, chance 2, and it doesn't stop there, right? I mean, it's about building more and better relationships. 1, 2, 3 emails. You just start a small sequence, and every single one of these, you send them back to the affiliate product page because you want to increase your chances of making more affiliate commissions. And you simply do that with these touch points, these emails that you're using to build that relationship. So we go back to Lead Creator AI, and you can see just a sec, we're giving you a little content, or we're giving your content a little extra love. The AI is just generating the content based upon the parameters that you gave it. And it says here, estimated generation time about 3 minutes. So you just wait for that, and it doesn't take very long for it to create it, but you know, it is doing a little bit of work for you on the back end. So be patient. And this goes back to my proven top strategy. that you need to generate traffic, of course, we need to pick a topic. In this case, we're talking to people about how to build an online business, to use a tool like System to build all the things that you need to build an online business, all the parts and pieces, and how to use this software to get it done. Of course, we need some tools, some technology, or the technology and the time we need to understand. In this case, we're taking a look at AI and how AI can help us. Of course, we need to focus on the time it takes to create the consistent content and then generate this super simple lead magnet. There's also the idea of creating a bonus, which is an advanced sort of idea and concept. You can check that out. There's a video here on the channel. I'll leave a link in the description. More offers. And again, this comes into the idea of presenting an offer or presenting a solution to the people that have checked out our content that are looking for a problem. But the focus here is building the email list. This is how we're going to increase our commissions. Of course, we can automate all this, the email follow-up, and create passive income. Literally, this can happen 24/7, 365 while you're sleeping, with the ultimate goal to be over here to check this off and say, I have a profitable online business. Now I just need to figure out how to scale it. Now, your next problem is you don't know what to send in an email, or you don't know what your email should say. Because you go back and you look at this and you're like, that's a lot. And you've looked at the top strategy and you're like, yeah, it looks really simple. And you break it down. I create a super simple lead magnet. I add people to my email list to automate it. I profit and scale. We go back and we say, okay, what emails, right? What email am I sending in email 1? What email am I sending in email 3 or 2 and 3? What emails am I sending? What emails should I write? How do I write these emails? So let's go back to System.io because we're using this as an example. And let's just copy this information right here because it's going to talk about the free plan, because they have a freemium offer. They have a freemium offer. This is just a free offer that you're going to give away to let people get started with this software. We're just going to take this information and we're going to copy it and we're going to go over to AI again. In this case, it's Google Gemini. It's free. And you can just go here and say this. And then you can see here the Gemini is going to start writing those emails, and I'll just show you the prompt. You can pause this and take this down. But the simple idea is you're just communicating with the AI that, hey, I want to promote System.io's free plan, and I need 3 emails to let them know about this free plan. So help me out and write these emails, or give me a starting point. Understand the idea here is this is a starting point. Absolutely, here are 3 follow-up emails designed to remind your audience about the System.io free plan and encourage them to get started, along with a summary for each. Your free online business toolkit awaits. Unlock your free System.io account today. Just a quick reminder about the incredible opportunity to build your online business with System.io's free plan. Good thing that you don't have to speak in your emails. People can just read your words. So you have a summary here. It focuses on the comprehensive nature of System.io's features, highlights the free aspect prominently, highlights the free aspect, provides a clear call to action with a direct link, and creates excitement. Email number 2, overcome the tech overwhelm. Tired of tech headaches? And you can see the different angles that the AI is taking or giving you here to understand how you can follow up and provide more value. Your online business success starts now. Free System.io. Don't wait. Start building your online business today for free. Simple emails that you will provide your affiliate link, and it even shows you where to place your link in your emails. So it is just that simple to use the AI, following a proven strategy to ultimately, from your traffic to your offer, take people and put them on an email list and follow up with them to get a second, third, and fourth chance. Remember, the first chance is technically up here where they saw your affiliate link. Now, they may not buy that first time. It just is science. It's just the fact. It's just the way it works. You need to come down here and give them a second time, a third time, a fourth time with these follow-ups to try to get over here to the money. And you need to start by building your email list with this super simple squeeze page that we created here, or that the AI over in Lead Creator created for you. And then you just pretty this up, obviously. But the idea here is unlocking the powerhouse, your ultimate marketing multi-tool. It's giving you information here about how this tool is going to help you, about how it's going to help your audience learn about the tools that they need to build their online business. Then you'll put your affiliate link and everything in here to follow up with them to give them additional chances. Of course, this tool also is not just AI, it takes care of the lead capture. So you click here for the email capture, and then you have the ability here to set up a standard email capture form where people are going to put in their name and their email. You have an ebook style. You can click here and add an image. You have a blurred button. You have the ability to put a video. And you can also say no email capture form and just send them to a page. But you really just want to focus on a simple, intuitive pop-up like it says here to just grab the name and email. So you have this chance. You have this chance to do exactly what we looked at here, which is to think about just the follow-up process, and just to clean this off the board, to think about this simple fact. The simple fact of the matter is you are going to be creating helpful content for these folks right here that are on the internet. Your content is going to have a link. That link needs to go to a super simple squeeze page because you need to build an email list. You need these extra chances to give yourself a chance to get them back to the sales page to make more money as an affiliate marketer. It's just that simple. All the tools, everything you need to include Lead Creator AI, link in the description. Check it out. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.